poetry in your eyes. You've been in for so long.